Good morning, Mr. Chicken. What you got for us in there? Oh, okay, I see you guys moving around. Early morning. This is the Fly Good. Chilling inside of this luxurious. Yeah, outside. After we done checked on the birds. Look at these fellas. He's holding it down for his lady on the outside of the coop, which is raised. So they're really up